Hi.
Hello, welcome to 70 Residences. This is a 1+1 2-unit 789 square feet facing Taman Chun and it's partially furnished. Come in.
Okay, so thank you, Liza. Okay, my name is Jordan, and today I will be the guy that will be bringing the camera for you to view this unit. Alright, so like Liza mentioned, this is a 1+1 bedroom unit in Block B, 17 residents, and we are facing north. We are facing Taman Chun. Okay, so let's do a very quick walkthrough. Alright, when you walk in, the first thing you will notice, alright, just to give a bit of perspective, this is the main corridor, and all the way to the end there is actually the living room. Alright, and down here is the kitchen area. The first thing you'll notice is that you have a hole down here. This is where you put your front loading washing machine, and then you have a 2-piece induction cooker with a 1-piece sink and also a ventilation fan and all the cabinets. Alright, the next thing you can do is you can also put a dining table or island top down here with a 2-high bench or maybe 4 chairs. Okay, and then the third thing, you see this little corner here with the plug on top. This is where you put your fridge. So everything is actually very well designed already. On top there, you got a 2 horsepower aircon to fully cool the whole house in case you're feeling hot. Alright, and then the next thing, once you come down here, before you reach this common corridor, small common corridor, alright, this place here is actually the living room, and that thing there is for you to set up your TV and your internet cable. Yeah, which means that your TV and TV console will be here. Your sofa will be here. Put your sofa here. This one you can also put your internet. Yeah, this is the fiber optic plug already. Yeah, that one is more for the TV antenna. Okay. So next, when you walk all the way to the end, you reach the balcony. The balcony is big enough to hang clothes. Some people put a table or two, or a table with 1 or 2 chairs. Yeah. And then when you look at it in front, we're actually facing Taman Chun. MRT station is there, and that is all Gromac Damansara, and all the Ascensia, Mount Kiara stuff. Alright. So on the right side here, you can see this is actually KLGCC and also KL Petronas Twin Towers in front. Yeah, in front of us here is actually Block A, and these are all 3-bedroom apartments. Yeah. So what I like here is that because they are nearer to the highway, they are actually acting as a sound barrier. They're acting as a sound barrier, and for those people who are on Block B like us right now, you can enjoy the good view, and at the same time, you are not that close to the highway. Yeah, so it's quieter, but at the same time you can actually appreciate the view and also watch the traffic. Yeah, for me personally, whenever I go out, I will try to take note what time is it and how is the traffic here and here. So these two are very, very important tips. Okay, so the next thing now is that in front of us is actually the facilities floor. We are not very high up to be able to not see the facilities floor. At the same time, we are not very low, so to the point that it becomes noisy or the intrusion of privacy. Yeah, so it's just nice, just a nice height. Yeah, see all the walking place and playground, and down there it's actually big pharmacy already. Yeah, this side here is 99 Speed Mart. So this big thing here is actually the roof of the market and also the night eatery place lah. Okay, so now we are going to turn back and we are going to look from the reverse point of view. So the first thing you will notice, you have actually designer lights, with warm lighting, and the middle one is a mix. The back two is actually white light to provide for cooking. Yeah, and then you also have this very interesting shape, nice, tastefully designed ceiling fan. Yeah, so I thought I'd just like to give it a mention because the whole house is white. You have this very contrasting and nice style fan. Okay, the other thing I like to point out here, on top of everything that we have mentioned, this owner of this unit, they are actually very thoughtful. What they did was they installed curtain railings. You see this? This is curtain railings here. They installed curtain railings to allow the tenant to put their own curtains to fully cover all the windows in the whole house. Yeah, so you have one on the kitchen side, and then you have another one here, and also the rooms, and not to mention the bathrooms also. Yeah, so I will get back to you on that. Alright, so now what we are doing is we are going into the +1 room. Why is this a +1 room? Yeah, because it actually has a door. Yeah, so how does it differ from a studio? You can close the door and you can have visitors outside without them seeing your personal space. Right, so this is very nice, very sweet and tidy. Okay, so once again you have these curtain railings. What you will notice is that they're actually double railings already. Yeah, this one here is the ring type, the black one is the ring type, and then below of it, if you want, there's a second layer where you can put a daylight curtain. Yeah, it's only one layer, but when you combine you have two layers already. So you have the main curtain and you have a daylight curtain, a sheer, yeah, to provide protection against the sun. Okay, so this is the room, and then on the back side you have a built-in wardrobe. Yeah, the bottom half, bottom 2/3 is actually for your daily clothes, and the upper 1/3 is to put your luggage bags. Right, so again, very nice and tidy. Another black fan, ceiling fan. Okay, and then you have a, looks to me like a 1 horsepower aircon. I'm not sure, but based on the size, yeah. But the aircon is located right under the door. What it means is that it will provide good circulation to the whole room. Okay, so the last thing I'd like to mention here is that if you look at the layout of the room, right, this thing here is actually to put your TV on the wall if you want. I mean, for those who are going to buy the house, like if you're a tenant, please don't drill walls, don't drill holes on the wall. Alright, and the second thing is that you have another plug there. You can put a bedside table to charge your phone, table lamp, and you can put a queen size bed like this. Alright, your bed will be in this orientation. Yeah. So actually, once you bring your furniture in, a lot of these things are very self-explanatory. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing we are moving on now is we are going to look at this plus one room. So when they say a plus one room, it's a room, but it's not big enough to be considered a proper bedroom. Yeah. So in terms of size, I would say it's slightly smaller than your regular room. Yeah. But I've seen people that actually fit a single bed inside also. Yeah, so you also have a built-in wardrobe and also an aircon and a double railing, yeah, with a warm light. Right. So here you can choose to use this room as a study room or as a single bedroom. Yeah, so it's really up to you how do you want to use it. Yeah, you also have a plug down here, and the next thing is that this is the window. We are actually facing SS2 and Damansara Jaya. Yeah, so that thing there, this thing here, this is actually Sprint Highway. Yeah, that is SS2. Yeah, and this road here goes to SS2, 17/21. All right. So the only thing you have to take note, I mean, it's my job to tell you, is that this is facing west. So on the afternoon time between 5 to 6, 4 to 5 to 6, it can be a bit hot. So if you have a good daylight curtain, this is a good place to put it, just to block. Alright, aside from that, there is no direct sunlight coming into any rooms already. Okay, so moving on. Now we're going to look at the bathroom. Yeah, this is a very, very in detail video. Alright, so when you come in, the first thing you notice, this is the shower. The shower has a shower screen. Both sets of windows, this one and this one, actually has a railing on top. Once again, here and here. So this is it's a very neat additional touch by the owner. Now why do they put a railing? In case you want to put a shower screen. Yeah. Alright, to cover the window while leaving the window open. So you can leave your window open, but you put a curtain so that people outside, especially this window, there is no chance of you suddenly peeping or your neighbor peeping into you. This kind of things. I think the ladies especially will appreciate this very much. Yeah. So the next thing also, you have a bidet next to your WC. Yeah, I tested it. It's working very well. And of course, you have your sink and your facial mirror to check yourself to make sure you're good. Yeah. So okay, guys, with that we have basically covered the whole house already. All right. So I'm just going to show you one more time. Alright, living room on the left, kitchen, yeah, Liza on the right, down here, and then toilet, +1, and also the master bedroom. I'm standing right in the middle. Okay, so thank you for watching, everyone. Yeah, let's pass it back to her.
Thank you for watching. If you like this unit, you can contact me, Liza here from right here. Have a good day.
Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so anything else, you just let us know. Okay, guys? Okay, bye-bye.